My name is Jake and I'm the sous chef at Kindling restaurant in Brighton. So at Kindling we're all about using locally sourced produce, foraging and fermenting and preserving the produce that we forage. We have lots of small plates on the menu and some sharing plates, and really at Kindling it's about bringing food and family and friends all together for one happy experience. So today I'm going to make for you crispy pork skin with gribiche. Our ethos is all about sustainability, so we've got a byproduct of the pork skin that would usually be waste in most kitchens. I'm going to take that on and turn it into something pretty magical. So we start off with the pork skin. It's quite a long job, it takes 2 days start to finish. So we get our raw pork skin, we strip off as much of the fat as possible, we'll then vac pack it and steam it overnight. Once steamed, we'll then take it out of the bags, lay it onto dehydrator trays and dehydrate it again overnight until it's like a thin shard like glass. Then once you've got to that stage to order, we'll then deep fry it in oil about 210 degrees Celsius and finish that over the top with a dusting of the leek powder and some salt. And then that is served with gribiche, which is simply like a tartare with boiled egg grated through the mayonnaise. So it's just some lily-put capers, some chopped cornichons, some chopped shallot, fresh herbs, and then a nice mustardy Chardonnay vinegar mayonnaise with boiled egg grated through it. Served together, and then we do one nice big puff of that pork skin held in place between stones just from the beach. So here we have our crispy pork skin with leek powder served with gribiche. Thank you very much. Look out for updates on our website and Instagram at Kindling Restaurant. We look forward to seeing you soon at Kindling Restaurant on High Street.